Kasarani Stadium has long stood as a symbol of Kenya's passion for sports and entertainment, from hosting the 1987 All-Africa Games to international football matches and legendary athletics competitions. It has been a space where history was made. However, over time, the stadium began to show signs of wear and tear, and it became evident that it needed a major renovation to stay relevant and modern. The ongoing renovation aims to transform Kasarani into a world-class venue that can accommodate both national and international events. The first major change is the seating. The old aging seats are being replaced with new, comfortable ones, ensuring fans have a more enjoyable and modern experience. The updated seating will improve sightlines, provide more space, and enhance accessibility for all, including those with disabilities. Along with the seating, the pitch will undergo a complete overhaul. A new FIFA-approved turf will replace the worn-out grass, ensuring that it meets the highest international standards. This new pitch will offer a safe and competitive surface for athletes, making it ready for high-stakes football matches and international competitions. The athletics track will also be revamped with a new track designed to meet international requirements, providing a top-tier space for Kenya's athletes to perform at their highest level. But the renovation isn't just about improving sports facilities. It's about transforming the stadium into a multi-purpose hub. The new Kasarani Stadium will host more than just sporting events. It will accommodate concerts, business expos, esports tournaments, and more. With a seating capacity of 60,000, Kasarani will become a venue for global superstars to perform in front of thousands of fans, and a hotspot for major international conferences and events. This will not only boost Kenya's sports scene but also its entertainment and business sectors. The renovation of Kasarani is also part of a larger vision for the future of infrastructure in Kenya. The country is positioning itself to become a major destination for international events, and the renovation of Kasarani Stadium is a key part of that ambition. By improving the stadium and other public spaces, Kenya is showing its commitment to growth and development on the global stage. It's about inspiring future athletes, attracting international events, and providing world-class facilities for all. Soon, Kasarani will reopen its doors, bigger and better than ever. The stadium will become a symbol of Kenya's progress, showcasing the country's ability to host world-class events. Whether it's a football match, an athletics championship, or a major concert, Kasarani will be ready to provide an unforgettable experience. What are you most excited to see? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Kenya's biggest infrastructure project.